Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the target molecule. 1. Phenyl 2-propanol has the structure PhCH2Mg of CH3I, a phenyl group at C1, a hydroxyl at C2 and a methyl at C3. The carbon skeleton is PhCH2C of HCH3. Moving on to the next step. Evaluate each option. Option A, Benzyl Grignard reagent is PhCH2Mg. Addition to acetaldehyde CH3CHO gives PhCH2CH of CH3 after protonation. This is exactly 1-phenyl 2-propanol. Correct. Option B, phenyl lithium PhLi adds to propylene oxide, methyloxyrane, an epoxide with structure CH3CHOCH2. Organolithium reagents open epoxides at the less hindered carbon SN2. Propylene oxide is CH3CHOCH2. The methyl-bearing carbon is C to the terminal CH2 is C1. Attack at the less hindered C1, the CH2 end, gives PhCH2CH of CH3, which is 1-phenyl 2-propanol. Correct. Option C, phenyl Grignard, PHMgBr plus acetone, CH3COCH3 gives PHC of CH3, 2, which is 2-methyl 1-phenyl 2-propanol, a tertiary alcohol, specifically 2-phenyl 2-propanol. This is not 1-phenyl 2-propanol. Incorrect. Option D, acid-catalyzed hydration of 2-phenyl 1-propene, PHC, CH3 is equal to CH2, follows Markovnikov's rule, placing O on the more substituted carbon, C2 which bears the phenyl and methyl, giving PHC of CH3, CH3, i.e. 2-phenyl 2-propanol, a tertiary alcohol. This is not 1-phenyl 2-propanol. Incorrect. Option E, methyl Grignard, CH3MgBr plus acetophenone, PhCO CH3 gives PHC of CH3, CH3, which is 2-phenyl 2-propanol, tertiary. This is not 1-phenyl 2-propanol. Incorrect. Option F, methyl Grignard, CH3MgBr plus phenylacetaldehyde, PhCH2CHO, gives PhCH2CH of CH3 after protonation. This is exactly 1-phenyl 2-propanol. Correct. And for the final step, options A, B, and F all produce 1-phenyl 2-propanol, C, D, and E do not. Therefore, the correct answer is A, B, F. The correct answer is shown on screen.